In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Manychat password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it as a security measure, following these simple steps will make the process quick and easy. First, let's start by navigating to Manychat's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL app.manychat.com. This will take you directly to their homepage. Now once you're there, you're going to click on the Sign In button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you can enter your credentials to access your account. At this point, it's important to mention that if you initially signed up for Manychat using platforms like Facebook or Google, then you won't have a password specifically for Manychat. That's because your login credentials are managed by the respective service you used to register. So in such cases, if you need to change your password, you will need to do it through Facebook or Google, depending on which service you used. This is an important consideration because attempting to change a Manychat password directly won't be possible if you've signed up using those platforms. For those who have a Manychat password or who need to update their credentials linked with Facebook or Google, regularly updating passwords is a great security practice. It helps protect your account against unauthorized access and is a key step in safeguarding your personal and business information online. Lastly, if you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Manychat's user support and help guides provide a wealth of information to help you troubleshoot and resolve common problems. You can also rely on their community forums, where experienced users and moderators often provide helpful tips. And there you have it, a simple guide to changing your Manychat password, along with some helpful advice for those using external login services. Remember, keeping your account secure is crucial, and staying informed of the right procedures can make it an effortless task. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if this guide was helpful. See you next time.